Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my January Young Living Essential Rewards order. I also have this Essential Rewards points order where I spent some of my Essential Rewards points that I'm going to share with you where I got some items for free. For those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have skincare products, nutritional supplement products, they have household, all kinds of different oil-infused products that you can buy from them. Basically, I am signed up for Essential Rewards, which means I am committed to spending $50 a month on these different products. And so each month, I will change my order to get the items that I feel I need for my household. And so I have spent probably about $100 on my order this month, and then I spent some of my Essential Rewards points because you can bank them up and spend them on free products. So I'm going to get into this box to see what I ordered. And it's not a huge order, but I did get a few new items, which I said in the new year, one of my goals was to try and put one new product or one new essential oil in my boxes each month so I could kind of expand and see what else Young Living has. So the first thing that I have, it's kind of big, kind of bulky, is this 30 count pack of NingXia Red, and this is something that I take 1 to 2 ounces every day in a NingXia Red shot, and I add orange or grapefruit or lime vitality essential oils to it to make it taste extra fruity. This is a wellness supplement, and let me read to you what it says about NingXia Red. So it says, for more than 700 years, the northwest region of China, known as Ningxia, has earned a reputation for producing and cultivating premium wolfberries, also known as goji berries. Wolfberries have a rich nutritional profile. NingXia Red is our powerful superfruit supplement designed to energize, fortify, and revitalize the body and mind. This delicious proprietary blend features pure essential oils, NingXia wolfberry puree, and other superfruits to supply the body with vital phytonutrients. And so the description here says it's a daily healthy supplement beverage that contains whole NingXia wolfberry puree, a superfruit blend of blueberry, aronia, cherry, pomegranate, and plum juices, natural stevia extract, grapeseed extract, pure vanilla extract, and orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine essential oils. And it recommends taking 2 fluid ounces 2 times daily. So now this can come in these packets, and I'll show you what the packets look like. And this is just what it looks like. There's 30 of these in the box, and this actually contains 2 fluid ounces. And what I do is they recommend during the winter, the cold months, that you order these instead of the 2 bottles or the glass bottles, because it prevents breaking during the cold winter months. And so during about December, January, February, March, I tend to order these instead of the bottles. But I'll take these and I keep one of the empty bottles, and I will just open these up and dump them into the bottles so I can just pour it easily. These are also good for taking on the go. My little girl actually likes for me to give her one. You shake them up really good because the puree likes to settle to the bottom. But basically, I just take this every day to help support my health and wellness, and I actually really like the way it tastes, especially with, like I said, the extra drop of orange or lime or grapefruit essential vitality essential oil. So that is really good. And so that was probably the biggest part of my order. And then this is a new to me item. I did get the CinnaFresh Deodorant, and my husband has been using the Mountain Mint deodorant because he was having a lot of irritation and breakouts and things with his regular deodorant he had been using. And so I said, well, let's try the Young Living deodorant. It's supposed to be more natural and not have as many chemicals and things like that in it. So I noticed recently I was starting to have some irritation as well. So I thought, let's try one of their deodorants. So he likes the Mountain Mint, and this one is the CinnaFresh. So let me smell it. It doesn't have a lot of smell. I smell a little bit of cinnamon. like a fruit and cinnamon smell. Smells good. It doesn't roll on super smooth is what I've found. This one feels pretty silky though. So I'm gonna try that. Let's see what it says about the deodorants. I'll read about the Mountain Mint because I don't have the newest book here with the CinnaFresh in it. It says, Young Living's Aroma Guard Mountain Mint Deodorant contains the natural skin soothing properties of coconut oil, beeswax, and vitamin E, and then the Mountain Mint is infused with lemon, rosemary, and other pure essential oils. And let's see what this one says. This one says, CinnaFresh Deodorant combines the spicy aromas of clove and cinnamon essential oils formulated with baking soda and skin conditioning plant extracts. It neutralizes odors to keep you feeling fresh all day. That's some small print, so that's why I was having trouble reading it. But yeah, I'm gonna try that and see what I think about that one. Like I said, that one doesn't smell as strong as the Mountain Mint deodorant, but it does smell really good, like a mixture of fruit and clove and cinnamon. So, and then I just have one little tube of essential oils, and then I'll get into my free products. And so just to get me to the 100 PV levels so I could get a free item this month, I decided to order the Lemongrass Vitality Essential Oil. And so the Vitality Essential Oils in the white labels are designed for internal consumption. These are the essential oils that you can add to your food or your drink. I could add this to that NingXia Red shot that I talked about before. You can put them in a supplement and take them as a supplement. And so this was just a few dollars. Let me see how much this was. So it says here for Lemongrass Vitality, it says when taken as a dietary supplement, Lemongrass Vitality can support wellness. It can also be used to flavor foods and water. And so the cost of it, it was only, for me as a member, it was $6.25. For people who are not members, it is $8.22. And so I really feel like the Vitality essential oils are a good way to try some of the essential oils if you're new to Young Living. So this is just a new little product to me to add to my Vitality essential oil collection. And then because I did reach the 100 PV promotional mark, they had this, we don't normally have 10 milliliter bottles of anything, but this is the 10 milliliter bottle of Peppermint. And so it's in a different label. This is not the Vitality essential oil. It's just a, normally the essential oils come in a 5 milliliter. This is the 5 milliliter, and this is the 10 milliliter, and you can see it's a little bit bigger. Or they come in a 15 milliliter size. So that was something that they did special for this month. That was all I got for my January Essential Rewards order. But like I said, I did spend some of my essential oil points to get some free items. And so one thing that I ordered this month was a new product guide. And so because my product guide that I have here was from 2018, and this one's still not as new as it could be. They will be releasing the 2020 probably within the next month or so, but I went ahead and got the 2019. Let's see if that CinnaFresh deodorant is in here. Yeah, see, this one's still too new for that. They released a couple new of the deodorants at the last convention. So, but yeah, I needed a new product guide just to get an up-to-date informational guide on the Young Living products. So I got that. And then something that I'm really excited about was I got the Relaxation massage oil. I have the Cellulite massage oil and I absolutely love it. And then I also have the OrthoSport massage oil, which is great for supporting muscles and your body after physical activity. And so I love the smell of lavender. Lavender is one of my favorite essential oils from Young Living. And so I thought this would be good to put on after taking a bath. And it says it's calming. It says invite tranquility of body, mind, and spirit. So I'm going to open it up just to smell it because I'm curious. If I can get that little tab off. That smells really good. I think I smell some peppermint, or not peppermint, spearmint in there. But yeah, that smells really good. Definitely smells like something I would like to put on after a bath. So let me read to you what it says. It has, I'm going to use my new product guide. It says, Relaxation Massage Oil combines specifically selected vegetable oils with calming essential oil scents for maximum relaxation. The ingredients are coconut oil, grapeseed oil, tangerine, lavender, spearmint. I knew I smelled spearmint. Ylang ylang, peppermint. There was peppermint in there. Coriander, bergamot, wheat germ oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, and geranium. And like I said, my plan is I'm the type of person who likes to take a relaxing bath at the end of the day. And so I feel like that would be good for moisturizing and just relaxing. If you have any questions about Young Living, please feel free to leave that in the comments below. And I'll leave my membership number in the description box. That way, if you're interested in checking out Young Living, you can use my membership number to order products from Young Living. To get the 24% discount, you have to sign up as a member, and that requires that you order a premium starter kit, which is a really good way to get started with Young Living. And basically, a starter kit comes with a diffuser like I have back here, and then it comes with a whole kit of essential oils that you can use in your diffuser and aromatically and topically and things like that. So, but if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.